Traders, this is my watch list for Tuesday, November 29th. We do have a lot of events on the economic calendar this week, so I'd be surprised to see a short covering rally prior to Friday's non-farm payroll data, just because we do have several different events on the economic calendar. I'm currently in a few long positions already, so I primarily want to focus on two short setups I have my eyes on. With that being said, today's watch list consists of ASML, BIDU, ENPH, IWM, and SMH. To start off, I want to go over IWM. While everyone's had their eyes on SPY's 200 SMA, right here on IWM on the daily, you could see 200 SMA where we've been battling for a little over 2 weeks. And today, it completely took out all these previous lows. And then if you look at the weekly, it's at the top of this channel that it's been trading in since last November. IWM did break inside week down, so for now it does look like the trend says down. And the first sector I want to go over is SMH. It bounced off VWAP today after getting rejected from this trend line from late March. It's currently holding inside week. And if it breaks down, I'll be watching the 20 EMA at this 210 area for a possible bounce area. If SMH breaks down, I like ASML for a trade. You can see the weekly selling pressure, and we went outside day with MACD curling down, which puts us at the bottom of this channel, or it looks like it wants to break lower. AMD has been seeing a ridiculous amount of volume in the 70 puts for January. So that does give me a little more conviction that they do want to send chips lower. Levels I'll be watching on ASML, if they trigger, would be these weekly pivots at 574 and 569, and then the 550 area if it really wants to break lower. Another name I'll be having on watch to the short side is ENPH. It's still inside week at the top of this ascending triangle on the daily. But we got MACD curling down, and similar to ASML, it triggered outside day today, and it looks like it's ready to break below this trend line. Where levels I'll be watching would be 303 and 299 areas. And the last name that I'll be watching is BIDU for a break in either direction. It's been having a hard time getting over this trend line, but it bounced perfectly on the 20 EMA, which gave it over a $1 bounce. We're still holding inside week, so when it does pick a direction, the breakout should be a nice day trade. And we also got a 3-1 setup on the 4-hour. So if that triggers, first things first, to the top side, I'll be targeting that trend line. And if it triggers lower, I'll be targeting 90 and 87 areas. But yeah, these are the tickers I'll be watching for Tuesday, November 29th. Like I said, we do have a lot of data this week, so just be cautious and have a plan set in place. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and hit that subscribe button for more additional content.